Ethereum is testing a crucial support level. If that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. We are pushing well over 1,500 Telegram members in this free channel. If you guys wanted to stay up to date with my charts as well as my trades, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Ethereum analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in $35,000 trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I know it's been a little bit since I made an Ethereum video, but for those of you that are part of Telegram, you guys have been keeping up to date with all of the charts. I do apologize for the lack on YouTube. Like I said, I've been extremely busy, but I am starting back into the videos as of right now. Looking at Ethereum though, just a little recap from the previous video a few weeks ago, I mentioned to you guys that 2800 is going to be a major support. We will be looking for a bounce opportunity, but we have to keep in mind on the daily that we did see a wick down to 2700. Now, before we jump head into that, we have to explain the fact that what happened on the 4-hour time frame. You will notice that Ethereum tried to break above 3274, use that level as support, and then of course we saw a breakdown structure and then flipped into resistance. I told you guys the only time of course that I would flip into extreme bearish conditions is of course if we ended up losing this midterm support level here at 3067. Otherwise we were just in a tight consolidation zone, and we really had to be very careful. Right now though, losing that midterm support level, you want to be very cautious looking for buying opportunities here. The reason for that is of course looking at the 4-hour time frame. You will notice that we have already tested 2866 twice, and now this would become the third test opportunity. Usually on the third test we tend to see a breakdown formation, so please keep in mind that if we end up losing 2866, you want to ideally be looking for a quick scalp short opportunity, but you want to right now just be paying attention to how this 4-hour closes. We don't necessarily want to be entering, of course, now that the move set has already been completed. The overall move was shorting from the exponential moving averages, as this of course was another third test opportunity, but you can see that how these support levels play out and how accurate they can be. When you are testing a major support or even a midterm support level multiple times, the more times that level is tested, the higher chances of it actually breaking. If we look here on the daily time frame, you will also notice that our exponential moving averages then flip to resistance, as well as the fact that we had a gravestone doji on the daily, which of course is an extremely bearish confirmation. Right after that, we had that bearish move set overall, and now we can see that this move set on Ethereum is looking likely to play out into 2700. That is probably going to be a major buying opportunity for those of you that are in spot positions. You ideally want to be entering into that zone. This is not all bad news though. There is some good news for Ethereum. Assuming we end up hitting that $2,700 region, you will notice that that was the last move overall, where we then saw Ethereum go into a massive parabolic run, and that of course was a huge move into the 4,750, where of course the all-time high for Ethereum was. So that is exactly the level I'm going to be playing at. This might be the last buying opportunity for a lot of you guys that have been holding on to your spot position, or of course loading into your positions in general. I would be paying attention anywhere into the $2,800 to $2,700 region. It may not exactly see that 2711 on the dot. We may see something like this, so just keep that in mind as you guys are trading, but you want to pay attention right now to this zone in between here. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in $35,000 trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio. I hope you guys have